If you are over 60, you know the feeling. The slight hesitation before pushing out of a deep chair, or the conscious effort it takes to maintain a steady balance on an uneven sidewalk. These small, everyday physical tensions are the outward symptoms of internal biological shifts. As we age, muscle tissue begins to slowly waste away. The metabolism downshifts, and cells struggle to repair themselves against daily wear and tear. The modern wellness industry typically answers these challenges with overwhelming prescriptions. They market expensive, multi-step supplement routines or highly restrictive diet plans that require massive lifestyle overhauls. But one of the most potent, scientifically validated countermeasures to these physical declines is likely already sitting on your pantry shelf. This common staple contains a dense, highly efficient matrix of nutrients calibrated to support the specific biological requirements of the aging body. Combating physical frailty does not command thousands of dollars in medicalized nutrition. It requires looking at affordable, simple foods through a rigorous scientific lens. To understand why this food is so effective, we have to look closely at its microscopic architecture, starting with its primary structural payload, protein. A standard 2 tablespoon serving delivers 7 full grams of concentrated protein. As we age, sarcopenia drives the continuous breakdown of muscle tissue. The body needs accessible protein to counteract this atrophy, using those amino acids as structural support beams across fraying muscle fibers. Maintaining that internal scaffolding directly dictates your outward mobility. It preserves your walking steadiness and provides the raw materials your body needs to rebuild itself after an illness. Delivering this much protein in such a compact volume offers a major physiological advantage. As appetite naturally decreases with age, securing required nutrients from large, heavy meals becomes difficult. Preventing physical decline means treating protein not as an optional athletic supplement, but as the essential daily scaffolding required to hold an aging body together. Beyond muscle support, this matrix contains a second crucial payload designed to regulate energy, a high concentration of unsaturated fats and dietary fiber. When swallowed, these two elements perform a distinct mechanical function. They physically thicken the contents of the stomach and actively slow down the human digestive process. Eating standard carbohydrates creates a steep spike in blood sugar, but combining them with peanut butter's fat and fiber acts as a metabolic brake, flattening that curve into a steady release of energy. This avoids the sudden biological crash, providing prolonged satiety and shutting down unnecessary snacking. Managing your metabolism after 60 does not require eliminating every carbohydrate. It relies on strategically pairing them with dense nutritional matrices to control exactly how your body absorbs them. The final layer of this food is a concentrated dose of trace micronutrients, including copper and phosphorus, zinc and niacin, and powerful plant compounds. These specific compounds work at the molecular level, donating electrons to unstable free radicals to neutralize them before they can damage cell membranes. By interrupting this oxidative stress, the body can better preserve the health of its nerves and maintain a more resilient immune response. But the exact caloric and nutrient density that drives these benefits also creates a distinct biological liability if mismanaged. To harvest the structural benefits without triggering rapid weight gain, you must adhere to a strict dosage limit of a maximum of 1 to 2 tablespoons per day. This bar chart illustrates the caloric trap. A single serving provides roughly 190 calories. Adding a third or fourth spoonful rapidly stacks up excess energy, turning a careful metabolic regulator into a heavy metabolic burden. The formulation you purchase requires the same strict discipline. You must read the label and select a jar where the only ingredients are peanuts and salt, completely rejecting any product cut with partially hydrogenated oils or unnecessary additives. There are also absolute medical exemptions. Anyone with a peanut allergy must completely avoid it. Patients with kidney disease need to monitor the heavy potassium and phosphorus filtering load, and those with gallbladder or pancreatic issues may lack the ability to process the high fat content safely. These highly effective biological tools demand precision. Leveraging this food for longevity requires measuring your portions and treating it with the exactness of a medical prescription. Translating this microscopic chemistry into your daily routine is incredibly straightforward. A precise, measured spoonful easily integrates into the meals you already eat. You can stir it into a morning bowl of oatmeal, spread it across a slice of whole grain toast, or pair it with fresh fruit slices to lock in that metabolic break. Regular consumption provides an exceptionally efficient and highly pragmatic method for preserving muscle mass and enforcing metabolic stability throughout the day. Maintaining independence and walking steadily after 60 is entirely possible. It just requires applying scientific understanding to the everyday choices in your kitchen.